Hey, Dr. McMahon, thank you for this exciting moment. I'm fired up that you're going to be joining us and coming down from Napa to come and lecture to us on a topic that we are both so passionate about, the solutions for soft tissue preservation around implants. And please tell us a little bit about yourself and about the topic that's going to be of great interest for the doctors.
Sure. Yes, my name is Alex McMahon. I'm in private practice oral maxillofacial surgery in Napa in Santa Rosa, California. And what I really, look forward to the opportunity of kind of sharing my clinical insights, which has done really well for my practice in terms of soft tissue management. And the idea of my practice is really to focus on preservation from the stance of never losing control. And what we mean by that is by managing the soft tissue architecture from the moment the tooth is extracted through the use of immediacy, through the use of the anatomical healing abutment that kind of service as a tissue conformer, as well as integrating fast integration timelines through the IXL program in Straumann for the best results with the highest predictability.
Great, great. So there's going to be so much for the attendees to learn.
Yeah.
The soft tissue management to keep it healthy, and that the material, the type of implant, the placement, and
Mhm.
wonderful, wonderful. Yeah, I'm looking forward to see June 6th. It's going to be a
Yeah.
nice 3 hours in the morning. You're going to
Perfect.
fly in and you're going to be full of energy,
Yeah,
lots of coffee. So
that's right.
and it's on Saturday morning. A lot will be there. And thanks for doing this. Be well and take good care. We are all working hard
Yeah.
and see you all soon. Okay.
I can't wait
Good.
to see you and the rest of your colleagues and look forward to having a wonderful time in Los Angeles with y'all.
Thanks, my friend. Be safe. Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.